Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of talking to you guys on what the Nutty Fever weather does in Grow a Garden and how it helps your chubby chipmunk, basically. I'm just trying to find the acorn here, but in the middle of the event, there will be like a Nutty Fever weather. You're just going to submit your plants. It doesn't matter what it is, honestly. Oh my gosh, I can't find it. Oh, you know what? It's fine. Let's just forget about it. Basically, now when I have triggered the Nutty Fever, instead of like a few minutes, every 30 seconds for 5 minutes, it's going to do its ability, which is eat, and it's going to gain weight. And it's also going to give me acorns per like 30 seconds. So right now, reward track, my chipmunk weighs 1.08 kilograms. I just need a few more to claim a reward. Honestly, if I'm being completely honest, I think this one's a little bit difficult to do, since to trigger a Nutty Fever, you will need 1,500 points from plants. So you do need to submit a lot. It doesn't have to be a specific type of plant, thank goodness, but you do need to submit a lot. So my suggestion is for you guys to plant coconuts, and a lot of them. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.